Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Me, your science teacher from IYS School for class 3. Students, before starting the class, I have some important instructions for you. So listen carefully and follow them. Feed your ID password properly with your right name and class. That will help us to mark your attendance. Uh, you all must attend the class 100% because attendance is compulsory and your attendance will be marked. Take care of time for attending class. Homework should be done in your fair science copy. If there is any disconnectivity during class, try to join again within 3 to 10 minutes. If you have any question, then ask in chat box. Okay, this is your science book. It is third edition, and today we are going to continue our unit number one, the human body. Okay, so the objective here are the objectives that I have shared with you. Okay, you will learn that the body has many parts, joint, bones, muscles, and organs. The body contains many organs. The organ enable the system of the body to function. And the last, the brain is the control center of the body. Okay. Now, in previous class, I have taught you about the topic human brain and the sense organ. So, before continue the today's topic, let's have a quick review on previous class lecture. Okay, human brain. So you know about what is human brain and what is the function of the brain. So student brain is the main part of our body. Why it is the main part of our body? Because it control our all activities. Okay, it control all the systems and all the organs. Okay, so that's why it is important for us. Okay, so uh, parts of brain. Okay, different parts of brain do different job. Brain has three parts. One is cerebrum. Okay, repeat this word with me, cerebrum. Okay, what is the function of the cerebrum? It control our memory and thinking. Okay, it is the topmost and largest part of brain. It control our thinking, feeling, decision making, reading and listening. Okay, cerebrum is the first part of our brain and it control our memory and thinking. Now the second part is cerebellum. Second part is cerebellum. Repeat with this word with me, cerebellum. Okay, it control our all muscle activities. Okay, it is located below the cerebrum and above the medulla. Okay, it is located below the cerebrum and above the medulla. Its function is to control muscles movement. ये हमारी मसल्स की मूवमेंट को कंट्रोल करता है. ठीक है. For example, it's help you in running, walking and jumping. And the last part of the brain is medulla. It control our all activities, okay, like it's control our activities of heart, stomach and kidney. So brain is the control center of the body and it control all the systems and organs. Okay, and the parts of the brain, cerebrum, cerebellum and the last is medulla. Okay, now the second um, second topic is sense organ. Okay, so do you know about what is organ? An organ is a part of your body that has a particular purpose or functions. Organ क्या होते हैं? Organ is a part of our body. Organ हमारे body का part है जो एक particular functions perform करते हैं. Okay, so what are the sense organs? The organ which help us to feel, hear, smell, taste or see things around us is called as sense organ. Okay, we have five sense organ. Okay, we have five senses. See, hear, smell, taste and touch. To see we use our eye. To hear we use our ears. To smell we use our nose. To taste, we use our tongue, and we touch with the help of hand. So sense organ are the body organ by which humans are able to see, hear, taste, smell, and feel. Okay, and the senses allow us to observe and understand the world around us. So this is about the sense organ. What are the sense organs? Sense organ tell us what is happening around us. Okay, the senses allow us to observe and understand the world around us, and we have five senses. So let's start. Eye, the organ of the sight. Okay, we see with our eye. Our eyes enable us to see the world around us. Okay, our eye act like a camera. They detect moving images and colors and send it to the brain. Then brain tell us what we see. Okay, this is the picture of the eye as you can see on your screen. Okay, we see with our eye. Okay, we see with our eye, and our eye act like a camera. Students, हमारी eye जो होती है वो कैमरे की तरह act करती है. हाउ, बिकॉज जो भी हम देखते हैं दे डिटेक्ट मूविंग इमेजेस, ये उस इमेज की पिक्चर ले लेती है एंड सेंड करती है हमारे ब्रेन को, और फिर हमारा ब्रेन हमें बताता है कि हमने क्या देखा है. ओके, सो आवर आई एक्ट लाइक अ कैमरा. दे डिटेक्ट मूविंग इमेजेस एंड कलर एंड सेंड इट टू द ब्रेन. देन ब्रेन टेल अस व्हाट वी आर सी. So our five senses working all the time and send messages to our brain. Then brain jobs to tell us what we see, what we hear, what we taste. Okay. So activity number 1 on page number 11. So hurry up, open page number 11. Activity number 1. What happened to the pupil? Okay, you know about what is pupil. Okay, pupil is the part of the external eye. Okay, pupil is the part of the eye. As you can see this black dot, can you see this black dot on your screen? ये आप black dot देख सकते हैं. This is pupil. Okay, this black dot is called pupil, and around this black dot, this color part. Okay, some people have green eyes, some people have brown, some people have black eye, some have blue. So this color part of the eye is called iris. Okay, it's called iris. And this black dot at the center of the eyeball is called pupil. So what happened to the people in bright light? जब आपकी आंखों में बहुत तेज लाइट पड़ती है तो क्या होता है? Okay, so this is the activity present on your book, page number 11. What happens to the pupil in bright light? In bright light, the pupil get smaller. Okay, in bright light, the pupil get smaller. This happens so that the less light enter to the eye. Okay, got it? What happened to the pupil in the bright light? It's in bright light the pupil get smaller, and this happens so that the less light enter to the eye. Okay, now the next organ is ear, the organ of hearing. Okay, we hear with the help of our ears, and sound reach our ears has vibration. Okay, as you can see on your screen. Okay, now the next, they receive different kind of sound and send messages to our brain. Okay, then brain tell us what we hear, where the sound come from. Okay, so we hear with the help of our ears, and ear is the organ of hearing. This send message to the brain. Okay, as you can see the picture on your screen, they send message to the brain. Then brain tell us where the sound come and what we are hear. Now the next is nose, the organ of smell. Okay, many things give off smell like scent and odor. Okay, the nerve in the nose receive this smell. Okay, in our nose. Okay, as you can see, this is the hole. Okay, you can see this hole. This hole is called nostrils. Okay, this is called nostrils. The nerve in the nose receive these smells, and then brain tell us if the smells are pleasant or not. Now the next is skin, the organ of touch. Okay, okay. One more thing about skin. Skin is the largest sense organ of our body. Okay, skin is the largest sense organ of our body. Why? Because our body is covered with skin. Okay, the skin helps us to feel. Okay, we can feel anything by the help of skin. When we touch something, the nerve ending send a message to the brain. Okay, in our skin we have many receptors. Okay, हमारी skin पे बहुत सारे receptors होते हैं. When we touch anything, this receptor send message to the brain. Then brain tell us the thing we feel the thing we touch. It's hot, cold. Okay, hard, and soft. Okay, so we can feel with the help of the sense organ of touch. We can feel the thing is heat, hot, cold, pressure, hard, soft, and also we can feel pain. Okay, so this is about the skin. Okay, so our skin have many receptors and they send message to the brain. Okay, and then brain tell us what we feel. Now the next is tongue, the organ of taste. Okay, the tongue helps us to speak and taste things. The tongue is covered with tiny pores. Okay, this our tongue is covered with tiny pores and which taste different thing. Okay, as you can see, this front ऑरेंज कलर शोज स्वीट. ओके, जो हम अपनी टंग के फ्रंट पार्ट होता है उससे कौन सा टेस्ट रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हैं? स्वीट. ओके, साइड ऑफ द टंग दिस पिंक कलर शोज salty. Okay, and this color yellow color shows sour. Okay, and the last we can recognize the flavor of bitter. Okay, so we have four kinds of taste. Okay, we have four kind of taste: sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. Okay, so our tongue has many taste buds. Okay, so what are the taste buds? Okay, students, taste buds play very important role. Okay, because when we eat anything, they send message to the brain, and then brain tell us about the thing we eat, either the sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. So we have how many kind of taste we have? We have four kind of taste. Okay, sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. Okay, now come to the topics. Today's topic is about the system of the body. Okay, today we are going to discuss the system of the body. We have major seven system and I will introduce them one by one. Okay, first system is the skeleton system. Okay, in system of the body we are going to discuss and we are going to learn the skeleton system. Next is muscular system, the digestive system, the circulatory system, and the respiratory system, and the nervous system, and the last is excretory system. Okay, these are the seven systems we are going to learn in the system of the body. Okay, so before starting system of the body, I will tell you about what is skeleton. Skeleton क्या है? Okay, what is skeleton? Okay, all the bones met together and make up the skeleton. सारी bones मिलके क्या बनाती है? Skeleton. Okay, our skeleton made from bones. Okay, all the bones met together and make up the skeleton. It's mean that our body have a different type of the bones, that all the bones make up the skeleton. Okay, our skeleton made from bones. Okay, and what is the function of the skeleton? What is the function of the skeleton? It protects our organ. Okay, it protects our organ. It protects the different type of organ. Which type of organ they are protected? Just like the skull. Okay, just like the skull khopri. If you touch your head, okay, all students please touch your head. Yes, good. You feel that there is the hard bone that is called the skull. Okay, touch your head. Okay, you feel that there is the hard bone that is called the skull. Skull is protected internal organ and very sensitive organ, brain. Okay, skull is protected internal organ that is called the brain. So skull is the part of skeleton that protect the organ. Okay, okay, another example, touch your chest. Okay, अपने सीने पे हाथ लगाएं. Touch your chest. Hurry up, students. Okay, you feel that there are many type of bones. Okay, touch your chest. You feel that there are many type of bones that are called ribs. Ribs mean pasliyan. So this type of bones protect our sensitive organ, heart and lungs. Okay. So our skeleton made from bones. And how many bones we have? 206 bones. Okay. In human body have 206 bones, and our bones make up our skeleton. Okay, our skeleton made from bones. And what is the function? It perform function to protect our internal organs. Okay, just like skull protect our brain, and the ribs protects our internal organs like heart and lungs. Okay, the second main function of the skeleton, how are they support our body? It is the second function, support our body. It provides support to our body. Okay, the second main function of the skeleton is how they are support our body. Suppose that if you don't have the bone, okay, suppose students, if you don't have your bones, अगर आपके पास आपकी bones ना होती तो what happen with you? How can we walk? How can we run? How can we sit? ओके अगर हमारे पास बोन्स नहीं होती तो हम कैसे वॉक करते, कैसे रन करते, कैसे कैसे सिट करते. ओके सो इट इज द मेन function to provide support to our body. Okay, because our skeleton made from bones. Okay, now how many bones we have? You know that we have 206 bones. Okay, where the two bones met, the place is called joint. Meeting point of the bones called joint. Joints क्या होते हैं? जहाँ हमारी दो bones मिल रही हो, जहाँ हमारी two bones आपस में मिल रही हो, उस हिस्से को क्या कहते हैं? Joint. Okay. So where the two bones meet, the place is called joint. If you touch your hand, you feel that there are two types of bones. But you touch your elbow. Okay, student, touch your elbow. अपनी कॉनी को टच करें. Okay, hurry up. अपनी कॉनी को टच करें. Touch your elbow. You feel that this is the point where two bones met. Okay, this point is called joint. This point is called joint. आपने अपनी कॉनी को टच करके फील किया होगा कि यहाँ पे दो बोन्स मिल रही है और ये पॉइंट क्या है? दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड joint. Okay, got it. Now how many type of skeleton we have? How many type of skeleton we have? We have two type of skeleton, endoskeleton and exoskeleton. How many type of skeletons we have? We have two types of skeleton, endoskeleton and exoskeleton. Endo mean inside. What is the mean of endo? Endo mean inside, and the exo mean outside. Okay, so and endo mean internal. Okay, endoskeleton is present inside the body. Okay, and the exoskeleton present outside their body. So we are going to talk about endoskeleton. What are the endoskeleton? You know that endo mean inside. So all those organisms, all those living organisms which are included in animals and human being that have endoskeleton. जितने भी animals और human being है सबके पास endoskeleton होता है. ठीक है? You, me and our all family member, all human being have endoskeleton. Okay. And what about the exoskeleton? All insect have exoskeleton. Okay, all insect have exoskeleton, and all animals and all human being have endoskeleton. Okay, exo mean outside. Okay, so all insect have exoskeleton, the skeleton present outside of the body. For example, grasshopper, typical insect, butterfly. Okay, so all insects have exoskeleton. Okay, so this is the mind map on skeleton. Take a screenshot. Okay, so our skeleton made from bones, and we have 206 bones. And what are the function of the skeleton? It protect our organ and provide support to our body. Okay, it provides support to our body. Okay. And what are joint? Meeting point of bones called joint. And how many type of skeletons we have? We have two type of skeleton, endoskeleton. Endo mean inside. All animals, human being, and all human being have endoskeleton, and all insect have exoskeleton. Okay. So there are the body system. Okay, there are 7 type of body system. Okay, we have 7 type of body system. Okay, one by one I will explain each system. Do the different job make up the human body. Okay, have you ever wondered how our body work inside? Okay, student, Listen me carefully. Have you ever wondered how our bodies work inside? We move, we breathe, we eat, we think, and somehow stay alive. Okay, so we have seven major systems. How many systems? We have seven major systems. Each one does something different. I will introduce them to you one by one. Okay. First is skeleton system. What is a skeleton system? The human body has a framework of bone called skeleton system. Okay, human body have a strong structure of bones. Okay, called skeleton system, and the bones of the body make up the skeleton. Okay, our skeleton made from bones. Okay, so what is skeleton system? A human being have skeleton system have a strong framework. Okay, the bones of the body make up the skeleton system. Now the next system, the muscular system. Okay. Now the second system is the muscular system. First system is skeleton system. The human body have a framework of bones. It's called skeleton system. And the next system is muscular system. The muscle make up the muscular system. The muscles allow us to move different part of the body. Okay. Can you move your fingers? Okay, move your finger. Can you move your finger? Can you run fast and jump high? Okay, have you ever wondered you have you do that? Your muscles have help your body to move. Okay, we move with the help of muscular system. Okay, so first system is skeleton system and the second system is muscular system. Okay. Now, as you can see the picture of skeleton system, this diagram is skeleton system. Okay, observe this diagram very carefully. Okay, this is the diagram related to skeleton system. This is skeleton. Okay, skeleton mean dhancha. Okay, this part shows skull, khopri. Okay, skull. So skull is the main part of the skeletal system. Okay, skeletal system main part is skull because it protects the very sensitive organ brain. Okay. Now the next is jawbone. Okay, jawbone allow us to chew food. Okay. Now the next is rib. Okay, these are called ribs. Okay, these are called ribs. Pasliyan. Okay, touch your ribs, you feel many bones. These are called ribs, pasliyan. Okay, it protect the internal organ like heart, lungs. Okay, this is the upper arm bone. Okay, lower arm bone, finger bones, hip bone, spine, vertical bone. Okay, this is our vertical bone, रीढ़ की हड्डी. Okay, spine. This is the thigh bone. Okay, thigh bone. This is the largest bone of our body. Human body में सबसे largest bone thigh bone होती है. Okay. Now this is kneecap. Okay. Touch your cap. You feel something hard structure. This is the kneecap. Okay. Heel. This is heel, airy, and the last tube bone. Okay, so this is about the skeletal system. Okay, bones in your body together form the skeleton system, and it gives your body hard and strong framework. What is framework? Strong structure. Okay, and also providing structure. Okay, it's provide your body a structure and protect your internal part and help you in movement. Now the next you can see the picture of muscular system. Okay, you can see this is skeleton on your screen. The right side shows skeleton system and the left side shows muscular system. Okay, so our your muscles cover your skeleton. Okay, your muscles cover your skeleton like that and protect it. Okay, and you have over 600 muscles. How many muscles you have? 600 muscles. Okay, so all human beings have 206 bones and 600 muscles. Okay, so our skeleton cover with muscles. Okay, these are the muscles. Now the next third digestive system. So what are the digestive system? The stomach and the channel through which food passes are called digestive system. The stomach, what is stomach? मैदा. The stomach and the channel through which food passes. जब हमारे different channels होते digest फूड डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए उस सिस्टम को हम डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कहते हैं. ओके, गॉट इट. नाउ द फोर इज द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. ब्लड इज पंप बाय द हार्ट. ओके, हार्ट क्या करता है, ब्लड को पंप करता है टू ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. द ब्लड सर्कुलेट अराउंड द बॉडी थ्रू veins and the arteries. So what is vein? Okay, veins are the part of the heart and carry blood back to the heart. And arteries, what are the function of the arteries? Carry blood away from the heart. Okay, so this is the picture of the digestive system. You can see on your screen when you eat food. Okay, when you eat food. Okay, when you eat food, the food goes from the food pipe. This is the food pipe. Okay, and this is liver. This part is liver. Okay, liver mean jigger, and this part is stomach. Stomach mean maida, and this part is small intestine, and around the small intestine is large intestine. Okay, so the stomach and the channel through which food passes are called the digestive system, starting from the mouth. Okay, starting from the mouth, the system include the stomach and the liver and the channel which food passed through. Okay, now the next is circulatory system. Okay, observe, this is heart. Okay, this is heart, and this red color shows arteries. This red color shows arteries, and this blue color shows veins. Okay, so what are the function of the arteries? They carry blood away from the heart. ये हार्ट से जो ब्लड होता है उसको दूर लेके जाती है और पूरे जिस्म में सर्कुलेट करती है ब्लड. ओके, जब यहाँ राइट आर्टरीज से ब्लड हमारी बॉडी में मूव करता है, तो ये जो ब्लू कलर है, दिस ब्लू कलर शोज वेन्स. ओके, तो इन वेन्स के थ्रू वापस हार्ट में आता है. ओके, सो arteries, what are the function of the arteries? Carry blood away from the heart, and veins carry blood back to the heart. Okay, so this is about the circulatory system, and the next is the respiratory system. Our respiratory system consists on three parts. Okay, which part? Three parts: nose, windpipe, and lungs. Okay, it is the main function of the respiratory system is to supply oxygen to all part of the body when we breathe in, and release carbon dioxide when we breathe out. Now the next system is the nervous system. The brain and the nerve from the nervous system. हमारा brain और nerves मिलके क्या बनाती हैं? Nervous system. The nerves is in the body receives signal from the sense organ and take message to the brain. Okay, so the nervous system is the highway along which your brain send and receive information about what is happening in the body around it. Okay, it is control all the action of the body. जो हमारे बॉडी में जितने भी एक्शंस होते हैं वो कौन कंट्रोल करता है? नर्वस सिस्टम. एंड द लास्ट सिस्टम इज द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. ओके, द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम, वी आर एबल टू गेट राइट ऑफ वेस्ट. Okay, waste product of the body. Okay, through the excretory system we are able to get rid of all the waste product of the body. The lungs get rid of waste air, the kidney get rid of urine, and the skin gets rid of sweat. Okay, so you can see the picture of the respiratory system. This is the diagram of respiratory system. Okay, the respiratory system consists of the nose. Okay, consists of the nose, windpipe, and the lungs. What is this? Lungs. Okay, air is pulled into and pushed out of the body by the system. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed. Okay, जो हम अपने अंदर एयर लेते हैं वो कौन सी एयर होती है? कौन सी गैस होती है? ऑक्सीजन. ओके, और जो हम बाहर रिलीज करते हैं वो क्या होती है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, जो हम बाहर रिलीज करते हैं वो गैस कौन सी होती है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. और एंड वी नीड विच गैस? ऑक्सीजन. ओके, तो हम ऑक्सीजन को इनहेल करते हैं और एक्साइल करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को. ठीक है, so the next is nervous system. Okay, you can see the picture of the nervous system. Okay, this is about the nervous system, the brain and the nervous system. The nervous in the body receives signals from the sense organ. Okay, nervous system in the body receives signal from the sense organ and take message to the brain. Okay, so it control all the action of the body. Okay, so this is about the nervous system. Okay, instructions to follow. Here are the some instructions to follow. Science copy must be interleaf. Okay, means एक पेज बिल्कुल blank हो. Science copy must be interleaf and has 250 pages. Must cover your copy. Next, first page make a face sheet. Second page make a title page about first term May to November. On third page make a title page of unit number 1. Write the all question with blue color and the all answer with pencil. Do all work in print writing. This is print writing, okay, not joining writing. Copy presentation. This is your face sheet. Make a face sheet on first page. Next page make a title about first term May to November 2020, 21 and 2022. Next page, on the next page, make a title about the unit number 1, unit name, the human body. Your unit start from 28th May and ending today's date, 4th June. Okay. This is the outline of the lesson. Short question answer, descriptive, activity based, diagram and challenging. Take a screenshot, hurry up. Short question answer says descriptive 3, activity 3 and diagram 1. And this is your homework. Okay, this is your independent work. Book work. Question number 1. Okay, open your book. Question page number 7. Open your book, page number 7. Question number 1. Match the column. Okay, this is your independent work. जब आप ये वर्क करेंगे तो read your whole chapter 3 times. आपने 3 times chapter को read करना है. उसके बाद आपने ये अपना independent work करना है बाय योर सेल्फ. ओके, आपने इस पर किसी की भी हेल्प नहीं लेनी. आपने अपनी बुक को 3 टाइम रीड्स करना है और फिर ये 5 क्वेश्चन आपने अपने बुक के अंदर ही सॉल्व करने हैं. डोंट नीड टू राइट दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर कॉपी. आपने बुक में ही करना है, कॉपी में नहीं करना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मैच द कॉलम, पेज नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 चूज द करेक्ट आंसर, पेज नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 मैच ईच बॉडी पार्ट ऑफ द करेक्ट सिस्टम, पेज नंबर 8. Question number 4, which word don't belong in each list? Page number 8. And question number 5, label the system and their organ, page number 10. Take a screenshot, hurry up, and this is your today's homework. Question number 1, do all people have all 5 senses? Okay, mention heading question, short question answer. And question number 1, do all people have all 5 senses? Question number 2, which are the function of the eyelashes? Okay, what are the function of the eyelashes? Answer given on page number 3. Question number 3, which organ make up the respiratory system? Answer given on page number 6. Respiratory system made from 3 organs: nose, windpipe and the lungs. Okay. Question number 4, which organ pumps blood to all part of the body? Answer given on page number 6. Question number 5, how does the framework of the bones and muscle help us? What would happen if we don't have this framework? Okay, so answer given in this slide. Take a screenshot. The framework support the body, protect the part inside and allow us to move different part of the body. Without this framework we can't move and protect part inside. Okay, and the last short question, question number 6, how fast does your heart pump blood? Answer given on page number 9. So this is, इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपसे प्रीवियस शेयर कर लिए थे. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आई हैव शेयर्ड विद यू इन प्रीवियस क्लास. ओके, this is your short question answer. Hurry up, take a screenshot. And this is descriptive question answer. Question number 1, explain 5 sense organ in detail. Answer given on page number 3 and 4. Question number 2, write a note on human brain. Question number 1 and question number 2 I have shared with you in previous class. And today's question is question number 3, briefly explain all the system of the body. Answer given on 5, 6, 7. मैंने आपसे system of the body share की है. इसके answer page number 5, 6 and 7 पे given है. Activity based question number 1, which I have shared with you, what happened in the pupil in the bright light. Okay, and question number 2, make a mind map on the skeleton, at least 6 point. And question number 3 on page number 11, do activity in your book. Question number 1 and question number 3, which I have shared with you in previous class. Okay, diagram question answer, draw human brain and label its part. आपने human brain draw करना है, जो ये मैं आपको last time बता चुकी हूँ, and label करने इसके part. Okay, this is the end from my side. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.